In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your search engine settings in Google Chrome. This skill is handy if you ever decide you want to customize your browsing experience by selecting a search engine that fits your needs better. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome up and running, direct your gaze to the top right corner of that window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots sitting there, often called the More menu or the Customize and Control menu. Give those dots a click. This action expands a drop-down menu on your screen, offering you a host of different options to explore. For now, let's focus on finding Settings within this menu, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're inside the Settings menu, a wealth of customization options will appear. On the left side of the screen, you should see a vertical menu. Somewhere in that menu, locate the Search Engine option and give it a click. This will take you to a new section specifically designed for managing your search engine settings. Here you'll see an option titled Search Engine Used in the Address Bar. This is important because it determines which search engine Chrome uses as its default when you type search queries directly into the address bar. There should be a drop-down menu right next to it. By clicking on this drop-down, you'll reveal a list of available search engines. Most often, you'll see Google as a prominent option, among others like Bing or Yahoo. This list will include your current default and other search engine choices. Make your selection from this list to set your new preferred search engine. For this demonstration, we'll choose Google, but of course, choose whichever engine you prefer. Once that's settled, let's shift our focus. Click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search, located just below your current setting. When you enter this area, it allows you to view, manage, or even remove search engines associated with your Chrome browser. Scroll through the various search engines listed beneath the Search Engine section. In this list, you might come across an engine named Ecosia or any other you might want to edit or remove. Spot it? Great! Now look to the right of that particular search engine. You'll find another set of 3 vertical dots. Give them a click. From the resultant menu, choose Delete. This action removes that search engine from your Chrome options. Don't worry. Deleting here doesn't affect installation or function outside Chrome. It simply clears it from your list within this browser. And that's a wrap on how you can adjust your search engine settings in Google Chrome. Being able to personalize these settings can streamline your browsing, making sure your online searches align with how you most effectively gather information. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more informative content.